Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this great value organic almond drink. Now, this was really inexpensive, so I wanted to try it out to see if it was any good, and compared to, like, some other brand names like Silk and things like that. So here's the sugar content. It does have 6 grams of sugar, and here's the ingredients if you guys want to read it. Pause it. So it's got an almond base, also fortified. It does have organic cane sugar in there. I didn't see an unsweetened version, but it might be there. The other thing here, as you can see, this one may contain tree nuts, milk, soy, and wheat. So it's not as clean as you would find from other companies. So this could be an issue. But let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, surprisingly, like, why couldn't you just make it dairy and gluten-free? So it's kind of sad, actually. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. There's the consistency. Okay, so it tastes like almond milk, but it tastes different than what you find like Silk or Almond Breeze. It has a slightly less almond taste to it, more sugar, and more of a watery taste. Yeah, it's okay. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Don't subscribe to the channel.